So guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at EURCAD for this week. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, if you are new to this channel, do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And guys, also do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because they will be putting out one or two useful information for you guys there. Now let's take a look at this EURCAD. Let's start with this daily time frame. So you will see something like this, right? Let me start from here. You can see that EURCAD first of all gave us an higher highs here. Here comes an higher lows, right? This is a new higher highs. You can see the new higher highs that took out the previous highs. There is an higher lows here. Take a look at this again. This is a new higher highs, and here comes an higher lows. Market has now given us a new higher highs. You can see that took out the previous highs, right? And here comes an higher lows. So now that this is an higher lows, what are we going to be expecting next on EURCAD? We should be expecting another movement to the upside. Thereby, anytime soon, EURCAD will be giving us a new higher highs. Thereby, we should expect this new higher highs to take out this previous higher high. So EURCAD is now ready for a bullish move. But first of all, if you take a look at it, looks like market wants to drop. So even in case market can drop, then we should be expecting that movement to the upside. So our target is to the upside. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section.